If you're in pain, rest easy in knowing that you're not alone. I know that myself intimately. I have been in chronic pain for days, weeks on end, and I can empathize and sympathize. Pain is a wonderful thing. These days, I see it as a gift. I see it as a tool that taught me a great many things about myself and taught me about others as well. But anyway, I'm sure you don't appreciate me preaching about how wonderful the pain is. You would just as soon be out of it. And I understand. You're not alone. There are millions of people in pain because the pain is the signaling mechanism by which your body's telling you that things are out of order. You need to stop this. This is sort of like the red light that your car has on the dashboard that's telling you that maybe the temperature is too high or the oil pressure is too low, or go change your engine or do something important because pretty soon things will get worse. That's what pain is about. It's a signaling mechanism that's telling you to pay attention.